come ride with me. Let's learn the alphabet, A to Z. Buses, trucks, and rockets too. Fun with vehicles just for you. A is for ambulance, lights that shine, rushing to help right on time. B is for bus, so big and wide. Pick your seat, let's go for a ride. C is for car, red and fast, zooming by as we drive past. D is for dump truck, lifting high, pouring dirt beneath the sky. Vroom vroom go, let's ABC. Fun with rides for you and me. E is for excavator, digging low, lifting rocks, moving slow. F is for fire truck, sirens bright, helping people day and night. G is for golf cart, small and fun, cruising under the summer sun. H is for helicopter, spinning fast, flying high as clouds go past. Spin and roll, come right along, every letter is a song. I is for ice cream van, what a treat, music playing down the street. J is for jet, flying far, zooming quick like a shooting star. K is for kayak, splash and glide, paddling gently with the tide. L is for limousine, shiny and grand, the fanciest car